and welcome to SOP Academy. So we are back again with three new job opportunities. The first one is coming from Dictum Technology Consulting Private Limited. They are hiring for the role of software engineer, software developer or mobile app developer. So the job location will be Hyderabad, but in the current pandemic situation, you will be working from home. The desired experience is they require a fresher, so 0 years of experience is required. The specialization which is eligible is BE, BTech and MCA. Only the batch of 2021 is eligible. First you will have a training period of 4.5 months. Your salary during the training period will be 22,000 per month, and after the training period it will get converted to 5 LPA. So the final CTC, it is mentioned here, will depend on your performance. So the tentative date of joining is immediate. You need to join immediate. The shortlisted candidates will be sent admit cards and call letters on their registered email ID. The skills required are knowledge of C, C++, Java. You will be trained in Java, iOS, Android or other relevant technologies before being put on projects. So the process is as follows. First you will have a programming and logical reasoning round which will be online, followed by a hackathon, and at last there will be an online interview. The second opening is from LG Soft India. So they are hiring for the role of mobile application tester. It is a contract based job type. Your location will be Bangalore. The CTC being offered is 3.4 LPA. The eligibility criteria, you need to be diploma or BCA or BSc from 2019, 20 and 21 pass out batch. You should have excellent communication skills. The percentage criteria is that you need to have 60% in class 10th and 12th and 60% in your graduation. Students with active backlog are not eligible. So the skills required are basic knowledge of testing and testing concepts. The selection process is as follows. First, there will be an online aptitude test which will be shared to you on your email IDs. Second, there will be a technical interview through Skype, and third round will be an HR interview. It will also be taking place on Skype. Here is the registration form. You need to enter your email ID and all the mentioned details, and at last you will accept the terms and conditions and submit this form. So after this, if you are eligible, you will receive the test link on your email ID. Third opening is from Hydro Global Services, GBS. So they are looking for the role of junior developers. So before joining, they will give you a 3 months of training in different technologies, soft skills and hydro policies. And there is a point mentioned here, the junior resources will be on board in the project with the utilization will be 25% for the first month, 75% in the second month, and from the third month you will be working 100% in the company. So the required experience is from 0 to 2 years, and you need to have knowledge in OOPS, .NET or Java. The education background which are eligible are engineering, BCA and MCA or any other similar qualification. If you are from a manufacturing industry, that will be an added advantage for you. You need to be fluent in English, written as well as verbal. Here is the apply now button. You can click on it and you can fill the form, and you will get the test link on your email ID accordingly. So that is all for this video. Subscribe to the SOP Academy channel and please give a like to this video. We will meet soon with another video. Thank you.